Pre-COVID-19 and on any typical day, our galleries would be filled with excited Singaporeans, tourists and students who wanted to know more about Singapore's rich and diverse Indian heritage. Since the closure of our centre due to heightened COVID-19 circuit breaker measures, our galleries have been empty and our neighbourhood of Little India has been uncharacteristically quiet. Hi, my name is Nalina and I'm curator at the Indian Heritage Centre. On behalf of my team, I would be providing you with an idea of what goes on behind our closed doors and share what we have been up to during this period when the IHC is closed.
My name is Mohan and I am the Assistant Manager for the Operations and Estate at the Indian Heritage Centre. My colleagues and I enjoy coming to work every day as this centre is like a second home to us, and we enjoy being on the ground, in the thick of things, interacting with our ground support staff and with our visitors. However, the situation on the ground is very different now. Since the closure of the centre, most of my colleagues are working from home. I now come back once a week to supervise the essential services that are still being carried out. I also ensure that the workers adhere to the measures that have been put in place. For the rest of the week, I'll be telecommuting from home, attending online meetings with my colleagues and our vendors and doing other administrative work.